Hello developers, welcome to Mining Devs. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin, the hottest technology that there is. You must have heard about it from the news, from the prices going up and down, right? And from your friends, from your family, that something like this exists, or some other cryptocurrency for that matter, right? What exactly is the technology behind it? This is the question of a lot of people that are there, right? And why are the prices so much? What is so valuable in Bitcoin? So what we'll do today is we'll try to go and read about the Bitcoin white paper. We'll try to explain Bitcoin white paper as much as possible and in layman language, so that you as a newcomer can get onboarded and understand what Bitcoin actually is. Now, what is Bitcoin white paper? Bitcoin white paper is just an information document that was launched by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. That white paper contains information on the plan of action of Bitcoin. It suggests each and everything that Bitcoin is built upon. It suggests problems as well as solutions, right? So we'll go towards the introduction part, we'll go towards the network part, we'll go towards the transactions part, and as well as we'll go towards the wallets part, the keys, and all the basic stuff that we need to cover in this white paper series. So stay tuned and let's get started.
Hello people. In this video, we'll try and understand what is combining and splitting value. So let me take you to this block explorer, right? So here what you can see is, you can actually explore the values of a block. So right now this is block height, right? So and what I've opened is this particular block in the Bitcoin Explorer to show you guys like what exactly is combining and splitting value. So in this block, what you can see is in the first transaction is actually newly generated coins that has been sent to the miner, right? So right now you can see this particular transaction 6.27 something BTC is being sent to this particular address here. So the first transaction in a block is always about the new generated coins, and after that you can see there are some transactions that have multiple inputs. Right, so these are the transactions that these addresses have created, right? And these have multiple inputs, and there could be multiple outputs as well along with it. So this is combining value and splitting value. So the input amount could be, it could come from one transaction, it could come from multiple transactions, and then it could be stored in just one address, or it could be stored in multiple addresses. So this is the purpose of combining and splitting values. This is how the transactions in the Bitcoin are being changed. So you can see there could be a lot. There could be some transactions that have gone mad. Apparently we are not really able to see those. So you can see there are a lot of number of inputs, right? And these are known as UTXOs. And these transactions are then being fed, and the outputs you can see, the amount of input and output will always be equal, right? These transactions are then destroyed to create new UTXOs here, and that are being sent to the wallet, right? That is it about combining and splitting the value, right? And in the next video, what we'll try to do is we'll try to cover privacy, and as to how privacy is achieved, or what are the parameters to privacy in Bitcoin. Thank you. In next video, we'll cover conclusion and the references part of this whole white paper. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Please do comment. Please do leave your valuable comments in the comment section. And if you have any doubts, please comment, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible, and we'll try to clarify it. And as well as if you need some more videos on some different topics that you want to understand, please leave us a comment, and we'll try and make all those videos so that you as a newcomer can understand better. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.